Hello, I'm Shane Schultz of the JGF organization, otherwise known as the Joey Giggles family. You may or may not know that January is Thyroid Awareness Month. In fact, it's entirely possible you never knew there was a month dedicated to thyroid awareness at all. So, why is the JGF organization bringing this to your attention? Well, let's find out together. For those who are asking, where is the thyroid and what does it do? The thyroid's located at the front of the neck. More specifically, it's a butterfly-shaped gland that's wrapped around the larynx and trachea, just under the thyroid cartilage, of which is commonly known as our Adam's apple. So, now you know where it is. But what does it really do for you? Well, this is where you might be surprised. Often, when we talk of major or important functions of the body, we mention areas like the heart, the brain, or maybe even the liver. What you may not realize is that this small area called the thyroid has the pulse on just as many functions as those other areas combined. No, really, it's true. Here, let me show you. You see, the proper functioning of the thyroid influences some of the most important parts of our body to be regulated properly, which allows a delicate balance of our overall well-being. Now, you might ask, how's that possible? Well, believe it or not, there are properties of the thyroid in every cell of our body. That's right, every cell. So that means major functions such as metabolism, brain chemistry, overall growth and development of children, our energy and overall strength, heart rate, body temperature, and in fact, many more than that, rely on the careful balance of the hormones that are secreted from, you guessed it, the thyroid. It's pretty clear that this gland warrants our attention, don't you think? Well, I'm glad you do, because we've only covered the good news so far. So now we're going to talk about the need for our awareness of our thyroid. You see, sometimes this butterfly gland just doesn't work as well as it was meant to. This is known as a disorder. Now you might ask, what is it that creates a disorder? Well, the answer is numerous outside factors such as disease, certain medications, and even damage to the thyroid itself can affect its functioning, and thus throws off the balance of all the levels of the other areas that are so important to our well-being. For instance, when the thyroid is considered underactive, it is known to be in a state of hypothyroidism. This is where our all-important T4 and T3 hormones are not produced at the rate that's needed to keep all the other levels balanced. Well, if you're like me, that doesn't sound so good. So I wanted to know, how would I actually feel if I had hypothyroidism? Well, here are just a few of the symptoms that are possible. Fatigue, depression, lack of motivation, muscle aching and cramping, weight gain, difficulty losing weight, as well as others. Now, the opposite of hypothyroidism is hyperthyroidism. This is where the hormones produced by the thyroid are considered overactive and as a result can lead to some very serious health conditions, such as anxiety, increased heart rate or atrial fibrillation, excessive sweating, uncontrolled weight loss, insomnia, irregular menstrual cycle, as well as others. Now I know, you're probably saying to yourself, come on, Shane, any one of those symptoms could be from any number of causes. Well, you know what? You're exactly right. In fact, often the signs and symptoms of thyroid disorders are misdiagnosed being other medical or even mental health issues concerns. That's why it's important to not only be aware, but be active when it comes to our thyroid health. And this is how. First, just like the TV commercial says, check your neck. Now, this is a very simple check that you can do while sitting down for a minute or two. You simply need a mirror and a glass of water. Now, while sitting down, you want to face the mirror toward the base of the front of the neck, just above the collarbone. As you hold the mirror with one hand, you'll use the other to drink the glass of water just a little slower than you normally would. Now, as you're swallowing the water, keep an eye out for any bulges or protrusions around your thyroid area. Remember, don't get confused with your Adam's apple, because that actually is supposed to move while swallowing. So what we're looking for is just below there, down to the collarbone. You may want to repeat this check 2 or 3 times as needed. Now that's not so hard, is it? The other important action you can take is to keep up with your regular visits with your primary doctor. Now, you want to make sure to be honest about your symptoms, even if you think they're not that important. And it wouldn't hurt at all to ask the doctor for a TSH test. It's just a simple blood test similar to the others, but this one is specific to the thyroid and can keep something from being worse than what we already have discussed, even thyroid cancer, which is a subject close to my heart, as a dear friend of mine who's part of the JGF family knows all about firsthand. So that's the thyroid. As you can see, it's something important to all of us. So please be aware and be active so you can be safe. From the JGF organization and the Joey Giggles family, I'm Shane Schultz. Thank you for your time.